Welcome to the front of me, Xiaomi 12, and I'll show you how to mute ringtone on this device. So first you should go into the settings application and then scroll down to the sounds and vibration. Here you will see the ringtone volume panel, and just to mute your device ringtone you should swipe this volume panel to the left side with your finger. And also we can do it by the second way. Just press your up or down volume button here on the right side of the device, that doesn't matter, and then click here on the three dots, and by the same way you can also mute your device ringtone volume panel just by swipe with your finger here to the down. And that's it. So thank you for watching, and if you find this video helpful, don't forget to leave a like, comment and to subscribe our channel.